Hello, welcome, and I think this is going to be called Learning with Godot. I'm going to be using this little video series to learn how to use Godot. Initially, this first episode was going to be an introductory and do one of these sample projects, but I found that the documentation for Godot has basically laid out all sorts of nice little things to do it. So I figure I'll skim through most of it with small clips here and there about what I learned, what to do, and whatnot. And once I actually start creating something, I figure, hey, I'll clip it. That's basically what this series is gonna be. Alright? I'm doing this mostly for fun, and yeah. I guess we should start with the introduction, and I guess this before you start section. I'll see you to the next clip, and bye. Since this was supposed to be a video series about the way I learn how to use Godot, I'm going to just say this outright. It seems like I'm going to be visiting this place the documentation reel a lot. Ugh, what a stutter. My bad. This documentation seems really helpful. Thanks, Godot. Organizing into general and getting started, and etc. You get the picture. It seems to be really helpful so far. Anyways, I will be going to the next page. Being able to export to consoles is kind of interesting. And being able to just import templates and whatnot, it's actually really helpful. Thanks, open source software. Alright, guess I'll continue reading instead of clipping the most minute stuff. Coming from a Unity background, being able to use C# is helpful, but seeing that C# is still relatively new, it's kind of worrying that you might encounter issues. I might be using Godot script. I'm happy to see they have some sort of introduction to Godot script and a nice full guide to Godot. I'm confused about this portion. I typically use Blender for 3D models, and when I look for this better Collado exporter, it just gives me the Godot download file. So it looks like the Godot download files to me at least, so I think I'm either just really stupid. Oh, yeah, I am stupid. Yeah, I guess I am stupid. But like, maybe it could be a bit more clear, because it really just looks like a download for Godot's engine. Oh well. So this is why I keep on hearing about people preferring Vulkan over Direct or whatever. I see Linux people. Thank you, I have been educated. Honestly, I feel like these two things should be mentioned so much more. Keeping the file size small for the editor is so nice for people with slow Wi-Fi, especially people in all countries. Thank you, Godot. Thank you. I'm interested what they mean by trying to as gracefully as possible and keep going, because I wonder how much you could screw something up before Godot goes, you know what, I give up. Infinitely spawning entities will cause the engine to crash probably. Will a while loop cause the engine to crash? Maybe. Good thing I decided to take a look at the features page. Seems the visual scripting is gonna go. Not like I was gonna use it. I was at least somewhat interested. Which is a shame. But, oh well. I wanted to at least skim through the features. I skimmed through this intro. The general. And I think that's enough for today. I know it was pretty boring of a video, but next time we're probably gonna do an actual introduction, you know, going through the introduction of Godot, overview of the key concepts, first look at the Godot's end editor, you know, this stuff. But I might title today Learning with Godot something like going through the general or something. Oh well, I'll have to think a bit more when I actually title the video. I guess I'll see you in the next video? Maybe? Maybe not? Bye.